If you have forgotten the PIN, the password, or the pattern of your Samsung phone, and if you want to unlock it, so in this video I will show you an easy step-by-step method to fix this issue. So let's get started. Now the only way to fix this issue is to do a hard reset on our Samsung phone. But remember that this method will delete all the data on your Samsung phone. Now just make sure you back up your data before you do the hard reset process. So you will not lose your data after you do the hard reset process, and you will be able to back up your data later. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your Samsung phone. Then connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC. Just connect one end of your cable to your laptop or to your PC. After that, just connect the other end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Now, after you connect your phone to your laptop, now the next step is to press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your Samsung phone goes black. Once the screen of your Samsung phone goes black, just release the volume down button, then press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now, as you can see, we have entered into the recovery mode. Now to navigate recovery mode, just press the volume down button to move the cursor. And after you select wipe data and factory reset, just press the power button to confirm. Now press the volume down button and select factory data reset and press the power button to confirm. Now after you have done the hard reset process, then select reboot system now and press the power button to confirm reboot system now. As you can see, the hard reset process has been completed. Now to set up your Samsung phone, just tap on the drop down arrow over here. Now from this list, just select your language. After you select your language, select OK and tap on Start. Now just select Agree to All and tap on Agree. From here, just tap on Setup manually, then tap on OK. Now on this page, just connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi network. After you enter your Wi-Fi password, tap on Connect, then tap on Next. Now, as you can see, it is asking us to enter the lock screen password. Now, instead of the lock screen password, just tap on Use My Google account instead. Now, in this section, just enter your email address. After you enter your email address, then tap on Next. Now, in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your email address, then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter your email address. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Select I'll be using this device, then tap on Next. Select I agree. Now if you want to copy your apps and data to your smartphone, just tap on Next, otherwise you can select Don't Copy. Then tap on Next. Now if you want to set a lock screen password or a PIN, just select one from here, or you can skip this step. Select Skip Anyway, tap on More, then tap on Accept. Now if you want to turn on the backup on your Gmail account, just tap on Turn on Backup, otherwise you can select Do Not Backup. Tap on More, and tap on Continue. Now if you want to enable Hey Google on your Samsung phone, just select Turn On, otherwise you can select No Thanks. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can do it from here, or you can select Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account, and you can select Set Up Later in Settings. Tap on Skip, then tap on Skip. Select Agree. Now just select your display mode. You have the option of light, and you also have the option of dark mode. I will select light mode, then tap on Next. Tap on Next, then tap on Home. And as you can see, we have successfully set up our Samsung phone. And this is how you can unlock your Samsung phone if you have forgotten the PIN, the password, or a pattern. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.